Hi everybody, welcome or welcome back. If you're new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that's right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. The bell that's beside the subscribe button, I recommend you press. What that's going to do, it is going to notify you with one email that I have just uploaded a new video. I do them a lot, and a lot of times they are time sensitive because it might be about a deal or something. So this way you'll have something fun waiting for you in your inbox, and you'll be able to see what the video is all about, and it's just a good reminder to make sure that you watch. Okay? All right. Really excited to share this with you guys because I don't think a lot of people talk about this, and I just want to give more of a I guess a warning. I don't know what other word to use. I am new to this whole subscription box world, and I'm learning every time. And as they're growing and I'm growing with them, and with IPSY, you know, that was where I started with the $12 bag. It was a fantastic entry into the IPSY family. If you've watched any of my videos, you know that that's where I recommend to start. It's sample sizes, it's $12, but it brings you into the IPSY family, which gets you the opportunity to customize, even in a $12 bag, do add-ons, you know, that are $3 to $12 for full size, as well as the shopper, which every day they have different bundles. So it's really nice for $12 to be part of something, and it got me intrigued and got me interested more and more on trying new things. So, you know, if you're like me and you're in that rut where you're using always the same lipstick and the same eyeshadow and the same, these boxes really take you a little bit out of your comfort zone. They also enable you to try products that maybe dollar-wise were always out of our comfort zone. So it's just really nice, and I'm finding more and more that these type of communities that are IPSY or BoxyCharm or whichever one you choose, I think they're really helping making us growing our horizons is the best way for me to say it. But what I wanted to do with this video was share with you guys a couple of mishaps that I had on the IPSY website, so that in the future this isn't going to happen. Two things. One, I'm going to share with you, there was this past month there was a customization choices that came down. I get all three boxes, the $12 bag, the $25 full size plus, and the ultimate, which is 8 full size and 4 sample sizes. Each one of those I'm able to do a customization. So on the second day of every month, IPSY, it's the IPSY day. You can go in, you can see what products they're going to put in your bags or your boxes, and then you're able to customize. On top of that, they now added a series, and I think they started it last month, and I didn't take advantage of it because I was a little confused between what they were offering during the customization day and what they offer on the second, which is the add-on day. So during the customization day, which they tell us that date, usually when our boxes come, I read it to you, it's on the card, and they tell you what day is that customization day. It's usually, you know, around the end of the month, around the 24th, 25th, around there. That's what I've seen in the last couple of months, but they've only started customization, so I don't know 100% if there's like a set day, like the add-on day is always on the second. So all of a sudden, I scrolled down after I did my customization, and I saw that there were these duos for $5. And then there were these other things for different prices. And I said, this is really different. Let me try it. I have it available on all three bags or boxes. So I'm going to try it on the first one. So I was in my glam bag and I was choosing my customization there. And I saw for a duo, an Ofra matte lip in mocha with a lip pencil. This one is from Gentil Bleu, and it is in the color that I'm assuming is supposed to match this in Spice. So that's what that is here. And this was only $5. And I thought just alone for the Ofra lipstick for $5, what a steal. So I figured, okay, I will try this. And then on the next box, I'll see, you know, when I do the customization there, what really everything else is about. So I got excited. I got this one item and I immediately checked out. And then I go on to the next box. So when I'm in my plus, all of a sudden it's not available to me at all, these choices. So what I've learned is we have to make sure that when we're doing the customizations, it doesn't matter if you have 1 box, 2, or 3, you can only check out once. It is, I guess, a flash sale is what they call it. So you don't have the luxury to go in all 3. So lesson learned. I just wanted to share that with you guys so that you know in the future that if you choose to buy anything from the flash sale, it's obviously going to be the same items, be it in 1 box, 2 box, or 3 boxes. Once you see the flash sale that's underneath, if there's anything that you want, you can only check out once. So that's why I only have this one item, which is the duo, which I'm happy with. It's for $5, but that's how the flash sale items work. You can only check out once. Whereas in the add-ons, you're able to add 5 products per bag. Lesson that I learned under that one this month was I wanted to share with you guys, which I try to film it so I get to show you, which you can check in my, I just uploaded it. You can check what my picks were as well as what my add-ons are. That has already been filmed and posted. But what I've learned is that you're allowed 5 picks per bag, no problem. But in the month of December, because it ended up being on the day where they had Cyber Monday, it gave us a great deal where if you bought 2, you got 1 free. So it made more sense to pick 2 and get 1 free than to buy 5 products of add-ons. But because I have 3 different bags, I was going to do the buy 2, get 1 free in my first, and then again in my second bag, and then again in my third bag. This way I got 3 free products. Otherwise, I would have bought 5 products and still only got 3 free, if that makes sense to you. So that's what my mindset was, and that's what I ended up doing. So I'm happy with everything that I picked. But I then wanted to film, and I figured because I only picked 3, I would be able to show you guys what all the other options were when I was ready to film. So I did all my purchasing, I did everything, and then I sat down to film it to show you guys what I purchased and what I got. But because I checked out on all 3 of them, all those other options, even though I was able to add on 5, once again, once you check out, be it if you buy 1 or 5, once you check out, you're done. You do not have the ability to go back and add more samples, even though you have the luxury of 5. You have the luxury of 5 until you check out. So if you check out with 1, you cannot go back. So I just wanted to make this video so that anyone else who's looking to purchase during their flash sale or during the IPSY add-ons, that they know that once you purchase, it doesn't matter the amount. If you used all 5 or if you only bought 2, once you check out, you cannot go back. So I just wanted to make this quick video to make sure that it's something that I learned, and I wanted to make sure that other people, if they didn't know, they didn't go through the little bit of disappointment that I had when I went to go back to film, that it wasn't there for me to show. So like I said, take your time, do your purchasing, think about it, and when you're ready, that's when you check out, because once you check out, it's complete. All right, just wanted to share that with you guys. And once again, thank you for joining me. Thank you for finding me. I really hope that you will subscribe to my channel. I need you guys to help me grow. So I'm doing this to form a community and to share. I'm loving the comments, the support that I have been getting, but I really want to grow on this platform. So if you will choose to subscribe, it's free and it's easy. It's the red button that's right underneath this video. I hope you guys will also share with your friends to tell them about my channel, because that will help me grow as well. All right, don't forget to press the bell so you get notified that I just uploaded a new video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Take care.